I pulled my best card.
Ooh, let's go, dude.
Comment below if you can guess what it is. My name is Crinkle Collector and I'm getting back into Pokemon for the first time since I was a kid, and I'm sharing my journey with you guys on YouTube. Today we're opening a pack of Stellar Crown and I end up pulling the best card I've pulled so far. That might not be the best card for some of you, but since I'm basically brand new and I don't have many cards, I thought it was absolutely epic. Let's see what it is.
Ooh, let's go, dude.
Drop a like if you think that was a good pull and stay tuned for more Pokemon content.